serene blue lake, a variety of birds, plants, trees, and a small island in the middle of a busy urban area in Bengaluru. Sounds impossible? No, it is possible, say the residents of Jakkur. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya. Welcome to this episode of Property Matters, where I take you through the journey of Jakkur Lake from being a neglected water body then to today being recognized as one of the well-maintained, citizen-initiated lakes in the country by National Water Mission.
Jakkur Lake extends to over 160 acres. Once a very polluted lake, it was slowly revived by treating sewage that entered the lake, by constructing a man-made wetland and an algae pond to remove most of the nitrates and phosphates.
Jakkur Lake has been rejuvenated by BDA in the period 2008 to 12. And Satya Foundation is an NGO which kick-started this program called Jal Poshan. So Satya Foundation does holistic community development in Jakkur area. It works as a catalyst organization where citizen initiatives are kick-started and then hand-holding is done to get the community to enrich themselves. So as part of its environmental vertical, Jakkur Lake was one of the initiatives that was kick-started in 2014. We had a citizen group meeting here organized, and then we asked the citizens what they wanted from the lake, which had already been rejuvenated but was again getting polluted, and garbage was being dumped, and there were a lot of issues post BDA rejuvenation. So then the citizens who came had different ideas that they brought in, and we said let's start with an informal cleanup drives. At some point of time the citizens felt a need for becoming formal. So that's when we registered it as a trust, and the trustees are people who live in and around the lake, and it is purely a citizen community initiative.
Jakkur Lake is one of its kind for many reasons.
Every year we have Anamotsava where we plant lot of trees. Once the tree drive was done, we started planting plants for butterflies, birds, and creating habitat. So we have 2-kilometer medicinal and herbal garden conservation that happens at the lake. It also attracts a lot of pollinators and also birds. So in this way, we have a lot of bird population also here. If you go to eBird, you will see that we are top 6th, and we have close to 200 species of bird at the lake identified. So little efforts from the citizen can really enhance and enrich the biodiversity at a lake.
It has been recognized by many state, national, and international level organizations for its citizen-led revival.
The National Water Mission identified this as a model lake, and because of citizen participation. So it was mainly for promotion of citizen and state action for conservation of a lake. And Central Groundwater Board also picked Jakkur Lake as a success story because again they felt it was a community initiative to recharge groundwater. So when Jal Shakti Abhiyan came here for a survey, they felt all the objectives of their Abhiyan, that is to save water in a city and make a city water resilient, was happening at a lake.
Not just the CSR funds, but even the SSR, that is the scientific social responsibility of many companies located nearby, work wonders for the Jakkur Lake.
So, organizations like ATRI, NCBS, GKVK, see there are so many scientists who have so much of knowledge and they don't have an opportunity to help the community with their knowledge. So when citizen groups contact them and tell them, can you come and help us? They are but too happy, and they're very ready to do it pro bono. Here we take help from all the scientific institutions that are in and around our lake, like there is ATRI, NCBS, GKVK, Biome. So there are a lot of organizations which help us do water testing, and they also give us inputs as to what needs to be done from the conservation angle. We work with close to 15 to 20 government organizations because each one has some stake in the lake, like BWSSB, BESCOM, there's Forest Department, there is, BBMP, different divisions. So all this together are required to take care of a lake. Community has to achieve a rapport with all the stakeholders involved in lake conservation.
The real estate value shoots up. The prices of the property facing the lake go up because of its the look and feel factor. Bangalore doesn't have many lakes, and of course we've got a couple of them, And these few lakes are treasures of this city, which should be preserved and should be put to the best use for the public.
ವ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೇಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈಜಿನಿಕಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಗಲೀಜು ದರ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಡೌನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
If the residents of Jakkur can collectively make efforts to rejuvenate and maintain a lake with the help of the authorities, what's stopping you from doing the same to save a water body in your locality? Do like and share our video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter for more such information. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragar.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.